Yes, you can now use apps to organize your life. Learn how to maximize and utilize your phone to your advantage. Instead of filling it with apps that don't serve you, why not use that phone memory space to help you become more productive and efficient? If you are new here, hi, my name is Em. Welcome to my channel, where we not only organize your space but also help you organize every aspect of your life. Let's start!
Welcome to MD Hacks channel. Not only do we organize your space, but also help you organize your life.
Number 1. First of all, it's always the best idea to organize your apps per category by using a folder.
Put similar apps in a folder, then label it. Both iPhone and Android phones have this capability so your apps are organized.
Just put like items together. Number 2. I love using OneNote because it syncs to multiple devices. What I love about OneNote is that it also has a sticky note that syncs to my computer and my phone.
This is OneNote on iPhone, and they also have it on Android phones. So as you can see, you can create different kinds of notebooks and categorize it, and then inside a notebook, you can create a subcategory as well. And since it syncs to your computer, you can see that whatever you put on your phone in OneNote will also be there in your computer, and you can save it through cloud as well. Then here is where you can create additional notebooks for your different categories. I really love the sticky note feature because it also syncs to your computer. So as you can see here, I have a couple of notes on my phone. And then if you go to the computer, you will see that it syncs and all your notes are there in one place.
So just in case that I need a quick note or a reminder, I can just put it there. Number 3, same as OneNote, we have Evernote.
So this is the Evernote on iPhone, though they also have it on Android phones. You can see you can also create notebooks and you can sync up to 2 devices for the free account. And if you go to evernote.com and with the same sign-in information, you can access all the notebooks and files that you saved on your phone.
Number 4, and I think this is also a favorite of mine, Google Photos. Because it also syncs to different devices. You can use it on your phone and then it syncs to your computer.
So this is the Google Photos on iPhone. So as you can see, all my photos in the phone are synced here, and I can also share it and create albums. In your computer, just go to the website photos.google.com, and then with the same sign-in information, you can see that your photos are already synced here as well. So here you can see that they have different plans. The free plan is up to 15 gig. And as you can see, I have here a subscription of 100 gig, which is only 89 pesos per month. I love that it's giving you a breakdown of the storage that you have used per category.
And then the good thing about this is that it has an option for you to free up space on your phone.
On your phone, you're gonna see here free up space. So it will show you all the photos that has already been synced, which you can already delete on your phone.
Number 5, Errands app. This is another great app for your tasks because it has reminders. I love using this on my cleaning schedule, which is on repeat.
This is the Errands app. So I mainly use this for cleaning schedule. These are the main tasks, and you can also create subtasks. You can check the details of each task, and also you can set the priority level. Turn on the reminder so it prompts you, and then you can set the repeat as well.
Because it reminds me when something needs to be cleaned, checked, or maintained, even for appliances. Number 6, calendar. So everybody knows about the calendar. And Google Calendar is very popular and very easy to use. So I don't think I need to explain as much. Number 7, Money app. Quick money recorder for budgeting.
This app is available for both Android and iPhone users. You can customize this based on your expenses and income, like what I did here. And for this example, let's add an income, which is the salary of, let's say, 10,000. Then I'll just put here BDO debit, which you can also customize. You can also add a memo or note. Here, I'll just put from YouTube as an example. Then let's add a sample expense for, let's say, grocery or food. I'll just put here 3,000. Then I'll put again BDO debit as the payment type. Once you go to list, you will then see all the amounts with the category. You can also see how much the budget left. So you can set this and customize this based on your monthly expenses. Here is where you can customize your expenses and income. It also has a calendar and a graph of your expenses, so it's easier to see.
Number 8, CamScanner. I honestly use this for all our documents. I have birth certificates, contracts, permits, titles, and all that.
CamScanner is available for both iPhone and Android users. This is how mine looks like, and I love using this for receipts. I'm only using the free plan, but you can always upgrade to premium. You can also easily export the file by saving it, emailing it, and a lot more options.
So anytime I need a copy of it, anywhere I am, it's already on my phone. Then if I need to transfer it on my computer, all I need to do is to save the image on my phone and then it syncs to my Google Photos para it goes to my computer. It's very easy to use and very convenient. Number 9, for your to-do lists like grocery shopping or just simple tasks, Google Keep is a great app. It has a checkbox where you can check out any task that you have completed.
This is how my Google Keep looks like. So you can categorize it based on the tasks or to-do list that you have. You can easily add notes or to-do lists just by clicking the plus sign. I love to use the checkbox for my daily to-do list. Plus, you also have other options like drawing or recording voice. You can easily customize it too.
Number 10. This is not really a specific app, but this is a feature that you have on your phone. And that is timing your visits on specific apps. For example, you want to limit going on Facebook. So what you can do is to set it for a few hours, let's say 2 hours a day only or an hour a day, and then it will remind you if you have reached that limit.
I will show you how to do this for both iPhone and Android users. So let's start with iPhone. Just go to settings and then go to screen time and then you will already see here your activity. So just go to app limits to set the time per app. So here just click on add limit and choose the app that you want to include. For this example, I will choose Twitter and then I'll set it for 1 hour. For Android users, just go to settings and then digital well-being and then you can already see your activities. Excuse for Call of Duty because my kids use this phone. And then all you need to do is click on the app timers and then you can set the time on the app that you want to limit.
This is a great feature to help you not get distracted on social media or gaming and any other apps that you feel is eating up your time. Number 11, that is automatic payments. Not really a specific app, but if you have online banking or other payment platforms, you can set an automatic payment to your regular bills every month. That way, you don't need to spend time every month paying for it if you're doing it online already. So it's automatic and you just have to make sure that there are funds in your account. It's just a one-time setup. So just set it and forget it. This one I use all the time, and that is measuring. So what I use is Magic Plan or Measure app if I need to measure something. So for example, I need to buy a certain bin or a certain basket for my cabinet. Then all I need to do is to measure that using this app, and then when I go to the store, I just measure the bins or the items that I need to buy to make sure that it fits. So those are 12 apps that you can use right now to make your life more productive and efficient. For the question of the day.
Question of the day.
Do you have a certain productivity app that you're using right now? Comment it down below. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and share to your friends who also want to be productive. And if you really like these types of videos, I can create a part 2 of this. Just let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Remember, you are awesome. And keep in mind that there is always something to be grateful for. Bye!
Welcome to MB Hacks channel. Not only do we organize your space, but also help you organize